Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to show you how to clean your motorcycle air filter at home. That's the bad boy there. It's good to make it a part of your maintenance routine. Every few months I take it off and give it a good clean, and then every so often I change it. So in between changes it's good to clean it, and I'll show you how it's done. Stay tuned. So what you need is a size 3 Allen key wrench. It's got 3 Allen key screws here. You remove them, really simple. Off comes the first one, off comes the second one, and the third one. Few more turns on this one, that's off. The cap comes off just like that, and there's our air filter there, and it's got a little lip up here. Make sure you twist it off that, and here it is here. And as you can see, it is a little bit brown, but I'd say, or blackish, brownish. It'll probably last me another 6 months or so, so I'll just give that a clean and I'll show you how it's done. But that's the condition of my air filter. It hasn't been changed for a good over a year, so I think another 6 months or so and this will need to be changed. This is the dirty air filter that I want to clean. I'm going to run some air in it and I'll show you how it's done. Okay. So you always run the air from, or you push the air from the inside out, because there's no chance of it going in that way as it's got filters all around it. So you just give it a good from the inside out. As you can see, plenty of dust coming out of there. I can see the dust coming out, and that's what we want. We want as much dust out, and any other little particles that have been sort of trapped in amongst there, we want them to fly out, basically. It's an easy procedure, and every few months I think it's good to give this a good clean. As the cleaner the air, or the more air that comes into the bike, it's a lot healthier. It means a lot healthier bike. And that, my friend, is a clean air filter. Well, cleaner than before. I mean, it's not completely clean. It'll last me another 6 months before I need to change this. It's due for a service in about 6 months, so in 6 months time I'll change everything. But that's how to clean a motorcycle air filter at home or at work, wherever you can have a air gun, high pressure air, and it's as simple as that. So get onto it, make sure your bikes run healthy. And so, how to clean your motorcycle air filter at home. That's it, it's done, job complete. Now I just need to put it back on, and happy riding to me, I say. And if you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. If you didn't, you can give me a thumbs down. So either way, leave a comment. Happy to answer any question of yours, good or bad. how to clean a motorcycle air filter. Done, under 5 minutes. Make sure it's a part of your routine maintenance for the bike. Every few months, clean it so the bad boy has some fresh air going through its lungs. Stay tuned. Adios.